Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now today we're going to be talking about releasing strain and tension in your singing voice. I'm going to be giving you some vocal exercises to really help you with this vocal issue. And yeah, we're just going to do it. Let's talk about it and then we'll do the exercises. So if you're finding that your voice is generally becoming strained and tense, particularly as you sing through your vocal range, then just stay tuned because these exercises are really going to help you. But if you are experiencing that strain and tension in your voice, then it could be because your chest voice is more dominant, the lower part of your voice more dominant than the higher part of your voice, head voice. So as you're singing, you're really just pulling up chest voice, you know, as you get higher and higher. And what we want to happen is head voice resonance to come more into play in the voice. Also, your larynx may be just slightly more on the elevated side, slightly on the higher side. And these exercises that we're about to do are going to really counteract that. It's really going to get your larynx on the lower side. It's really going to encourage more head voice resonance into your voice and also decompress the vocal cords. If your vocal cords are just coming together, you know, just a little too hard when singing, then we're just going to encourage more airflow just to really release that strain and tension in your voice. So without further ado, let's do the exercises.
So we're starting out with lip trills, keeping it nice and relaxed. Be mindful of your airflow. You can continue on. Keeping the sound nice and loose. And a reminder of airflow again. Nice. Keep it going. The next one is chicken. My favourite for really relaxing the voice. You've got to pretend like you're a chicken with this one. You just have to get into it. And you can continue on. Keep it going. Yep, we're coming back down. Good. Foo, foo, foo. This is the next one. I'm going to decompress the vocal cords. Really use that F consonant to support your voice. We're keeping it dopey as well, just to lower the larynx. And you have to be mindful of your airflow, that you're not pushing too much through. As we get higher, you can go into lip trill if it becomes uncomfortable. Just jump into lip trill. We want to stay nice and relaxed. Be nearly done with this one. Nice. Next one is voiced fricatives. This is really going to help to decompress the vocal cords. Just relax your voice. sound nice and consistent throughout. Only go where it's comfortable. Yet we're not taking this one too high. And well done.
So when it comes to training your voice, it's really important that you're doing the right exercises for your specific vocal needs. Now, these exercises, if they're feeling amazing for your voice, then that means that you're probably on the right track with finding the right exercises for your voice. So those exercises are really going to help you to counteract that strain and tension in your singing voice. You need to be doing them consistently on a daily basis over a period of time. Just doing them once or twice is not going to make a difference, you know? But put in the work, you will get the results, but you gotta put in the work. But what was I gonna say? I think that's pretty much it from me. But you know, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. You can subscribe below, hit that notification bell, and share these videos with anyone you feel is gonna find them beneficial. And yeah, just, you know, I really hope you found this video helpful. These videos are all about you. I'm here to serve you, and I wanna help you to really creatively express yourself through the songs you're singing to find that vocal freedom. But until next time, amazing people, I will see you soon. Have an amazing rest of the week. Peace out. Mwah.